Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted Instagram messages. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open Instagram and tap on your profile icon. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then tap Accounts Center. Next, tap your information and permissions. Now tap Export your information. Tap Create Export. Then select Export to Device. Tap Customize Information. Select Messages. Make sure every other category is unchecked so you only receive your message data, making it much easier to find what you're looking for. Now choose the date range that you want to export. After that, select the file format. You can choose either HTML or JSON. I recommend JSON if you already have a JSON viewer because it's easier to browse your messages. Next, choose the media quality. Then tap Start Export. Your export request will appear under Current Activity while Instagram prepares your files. This process may take some time depending on the amount of data in your account. Once your export is ready, you can download it directly from this page. Instagram will also send you an email letting you know your download is ready. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.